The 2026 BMW i4 M50 does not shout to get your attention. It doesn't need to. Its confidence is silent, instant, and overwhelming. This is electric performance done right. Sleek four-door Gran Coupe that blends modern luxury cutting edge, technology, and true BMW M character into one bold statement. Standing in front of it, you feel the shift happening. The future is no longer coming. It's already here. Low, wide, and unmistakably BMW. The i4 M50 carries itself like an ultimate status symbol for a new generation of performance enthusiasts. This is not an experiment. This is a masterpiece. The price places it firmly in premium territory, but the value goes far beyond numbers. You're paying for innovation, prestige, and performance without compromise. The clean lines, the aggressive stance, the closed kidney grille that signals its electric heart. Every detail reminds you that this is an engineering marvel designed to redefine what an electric sports sedan can be. From the outside, the i4 M50 looks purposeful, athletic, modern. Sharp headlights frame the front with precision. Panels catch the light beautifully. The fastback roofline flows elegantly into the rear, giving the car a coupe-like silhouette without sacrificing practicality. This is a BMW that looks fast even when standing still, but the real story begins when you press the accelerator. The i4 M50 is powered by a dual-motor electric setup, delivering all-wheel drive and instant torque. Combined output reaches around 536 horsepower, launching this electric Gran Coupe from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.7 seconds. There's no delay, no buildup. It's just immediate, relentless acceleration that pins you to the seat. This is electric power at its most addictive. Unlike traditional performance cars, there's no engine noise building drama. Instead, the i4 M50 delivers performance with precision and control. The torque is always there, always ready. Whether you're overtaking on the motorway or exiting a tight corner, the response is immediate and smooth. BMW's M engineers have carefully tuned the power delivery to feel aggressive, yet refined. Preserving that signature BMW driving feel, battery technology is equally impressive. The high-capacity battery pack offers a practical real-world range suitable for daily driving and long journeys alike. Charging is fast and convenient, with support for rapid DC charging that adds significant range in a short amount of time. This is an electric car designed to fit into real life, not disrupt it. Chassis tuning sets the i4 M50 apart from many electric rivals. Adaptive M suspension keeps the weight in check, managing the low center of gravity created by the battery pack. The result is exceptional stability through corners and a planted feel at high speeds. Steering is precise and well-weighted, providing confidence and feedback that many electric cars lack. This doesn't feel numb. It feels alive. Braking performance is strong and consistent, blending regenerative braking with traditional brakes seamlessly. You get control without unpredictability, balance without compromise. This is BMW proving that electrification doesn't mean losing driving pleasure inside. The i4 M50 continues to impress. Open the door, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels modern, premium, unmistakably BMW. The scent of high-quality leather sets the tone immediately. Materials are soft to the touch. Stitching is precise. Trim options, including aluminum and carbon-style finishes, add a sporty edge without feeling overdone. The driving position is excellent, low, engaging, focused. The M steering wheel feels thick and purposeful in your hands. Seats are supportive and comfortable, designed for spirited driving as well as long-distance comfort. Heated and ventilated options enhance the luxury experience, reminding you that this is more than just a performance car. The curved digital display dominates the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. Graphics are crisp, animations are smooth, information is clear and customizable. BMW's latest operating system responds instantly, making navigation, media, and vehicle settings effortless to control. Sound plays a unique role in the i4 M50. The optional premium sound system delivers exceptional clarity and depth, but BMW also offers an optional performance sound experience that adds a futuristic audio layer under acceleration. It's subtle, controlled, designed to enhance emotion without pretending to be something it's not. You can love it or turn it off. The choice is yours. Ambient lighting flows gently throughout the cabin, creating a sophisticated atmosphere at night. The interior feels calm, modern, and refined. This is a space designed for drivers who appreciate both technology and craftsmanship, despite its performance focus. The i4 M50 remains practical. Rear seats are usable for adults. The hatchback-style boot offers generous cargo space, making it far more versatile than a traditional sports sedan. This is a car you can drive every day without sacrifice. Halfway through this journey, it's time for an invitation. If electric performance excites you, if you appreciate innovation without losing soul, then join the elite club. Subscribe to the channel and become part of a community that understands why cars like the i4 M50 matter. On the road, the i4 M50 feels composed and confident. In comfort mode, it's smooth and quiet, perfect for daily commuting. Switch to sport and the car sharpens instantly. Throttle response becomes aggressive, steering tightens, suspension firms up. The transformation is dramatic and satisfying, compared to rivals like the Tesla Model 3. Performance or Polestar 2, the BMW i4 M50 offers something different. It feels more premium, it's more refined, more connected to the road, where others focus. Purely on speed and technology, BMW blends performance with heritage and driving feel. This is an electric car that still feels like a BMW. The design may be understated compared to some rivals, but that's part of its appeal. The i4 M50 doesn't need gimmicks. Its confidence comes from execution, from balance, from depth. 2026 BMW i4 M50 represents a critical moment for BMW. Proof that electrification doesn't have to mean compromise. Proof that performance can evolve without losing character. This is a car built for drivers who want the future, but refuse to give up excitement. So the question remains. In the rapidly growing world of electric performance sedans, does the BMW i4 M50 strike the perfect balance between speed, luxury, and soul? Or will louder, more extreme rivals steal the spotlight? If you live for the thrill of luxury, hit subscribe and join the journey.